How to connect via Snowflake via the Power BI desktop? This is the question for today, and we have multiple options. I have set up here account for trial, and yeah, I have already did some Elastic for video before, but for this time we would now do Snowflake. And yeah, you see here we can even click new source and then more and find Snowflake here in the options because Snowflake is kind of very popular. And yeah, we have to just say server and warehouse and then maybe something else. So the warehouse is for my end just a compute warehouse because it's a normal one. And otherwise the account, uh, no, I want to click here, view account. You can maybe just here account server URL, and then you will see your server. For example, this, and I think we can just Snowflake Learning DB. This would be some random Snowflake uh, database from the system, which is already there always. I did some load data here. Sample data would be better. So let's do sample data. Snowflake sample data. We can also do SQL statement even already, but let's see here. Yeah, click OK. And now we have username and password. So we can either do username password, which is just super straightforward, or you have Microsoft account or key pair. And key pair would be private key. This would be more secure than probably this one, but for the learning of the video, let's just create. Let's just see how fast we can do it. So there's my password for the Snowflake, and pretty sure just here connect and it will work. So there you go. But there we have even all of the other databases. So yeah, sample data. There's big tables in there, I think. So let's do the customer table, and we can even see here preview. And yeah, select related tables. This is interesting. Try it out. So this will probably be now, okay, we didn't find any more related tables. Probably wrong because like this one is for sure with the customer key, definitely customer key uh, connected to line item or something. I would assume, yeah, no. Order key, we don't have customer key here. Let's try here line item because line item should have related tables here. As you see order key, we should definitely have order. Yeah, I mean, so this is not perfect, this feature already, but we see a order key and we see it here as well, order key. So yeah, let's just do it. Import, not the direct way for now. Import is just a batch. Get the data now, and direct would be all the time. Get data all the time in a real life, in real time. So this is not what we want. So we could definitely delete all the old queries. Apart from this one, because I want to show how to connect, this one is Elastic by the way, but how to connect using ODBC to Snowflake, because like this was the Elastic idea here, but we could also try to connect to Snowflake like this. So let's just do it. Let's just say we can keep, I think, the name is database. So let's just say we want to have here and one, step one. So we have the result. And let's just say the name is the Snowflake sample data. Could we do it just like this? Because I have set up the DSN already for that, which is YouTube for the Snowflake. Sadly, I cannot rename it but yeah, it's fine. I did set up this in the last video, by the way. So just to show again, we can just here configure all of our data to log into Snowflake or to learning data. You have this learning DB sample data. I think you don't even have to specify here. Password not found. So okay, whatever. But yeah, it should work. But then let's try the learning DB because it was added credentials. So I think no credentials because we have it already in the Windows. I am curious. We couldn't. Okay, we couldn't. So maybe you use rather new source and then ODEPs. There's also a different keywords, but I'm not so sure about keywords. So yeah, data source name is the YouTube, and yeah, let's just try. Couldn't authenticate. So I think my password is actually not in the configuration. So let's remove the database. Success. Okay. It should work now. It doesn't work. Maybe we have to again, or maybe you have to restart Power BI. This could also be the case. Couldn't authenticate. Okay, then let's try to use password again. Okay, like this it works. For some reason you have to put password 2 times because you have password already in this part here. You have put it already, but I mean, I'm not so sure about that. Sample data, and we can find the same, but yeah, whatever you want. Just click here and you will get it. So this is the easy way to get data from Snowflake from those data warehouse into the Power BI, and then you can just load it into here. So this would be the ODBC, and those three are kind of uh, like the connector or something like that. Connector. I mean, you get the point. And yeah, that would be the rest for now. I hope it helped. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.